This sketch that I've drawn specially for the Father's Day, I've kept in mind that everyone who's able to draw, who's watching this video, wants to gift something to their father, they should try and draw this and gift it to the father. Because this sketch, this photograph from which I took the reference, I believe it depicts how a father helps the child to walk in different aspects of their life. For the sketch, I have used fine liners for the outline and one black brush pen to fill the inside of the outline. This looks like a stencil, and I have created this because stencils are easy for anyone to draw, because the mistakes and the probability of doing mistakes, they're very negligible. I have used very cheap crayon pencils to outline the father's figure here. I just wanted to depict that if you want to highlight a particular part of your drawing, it's not necessary that you have to use very expensive markers or something. You can use these kinds of inexpensive material, and over the stencil, these would come out very efficiently and very well. I have tried to keep it very easy for every beginner to try it, because I know that we all want to gift something to our father on this very special Father's Day occasion. So for this 2020, let's try and make something for our father. With this drawing, let's draw it for him and bring a smile on his face. Let me know how you tried this drawing. If you have tried it, then post it and tag me on my Instagram account. I have written it down below this drawing just for the same reason. Comment if you want to try but you're not sure how to go for the approach. But I would still suggest, please draw something and gift it to him. He would love it. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe to my channel if you have not, and like the video if you have liked it. See you in the next video. Bye.